Yo dudes! Woof, jeez, that was intense. Okay, welcome to 5-minute dinners to the power of 3. So we're cooking a 5-minute dinner in 5 minutes. It's costing us less than €5. It cost us $4.75 in Super Value this morning, and it's gonna feed 5 people. So that's 5 to the power of 3. It's tasty, it's vegan, it's plant-based, it's super nutritious. I know there's 2 of us, but at home it might take you 7 minutes or 8 minutes. Anyway, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, right. Quick, we cheated. We got a pan on high heat. We're cooking pasta or noodles, so I'm going in with a generous pinch of salt. Typically, pasta should be cooked in the same salinity as seawater. Okay.
So, meanwhile, I am hacking up our broccoli stalks.
So I
want them nice
6
and fine.
nests. These take 4 minutes to cook, so these should cook in time. So Dave has hacked up the broccoli stalk. I'm adding in the broccoli into our water too, so that cooks also.
Okay, that's just gonna get boiled down nicely and we'll get rid of all our other bits. Okay, meanwhile, pan's on a high heat. I've got 3 cloves of garlic and I'm just gonna chop them up nice and fine.
If you hack the broccoli stalk first.
I will.
Yeah. Pan is on high heat. I'm gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons of oil.
Okay, Stephen's gonna add in, we bought the mushrooms, they were on reduction. They were 49 cents for 150 grams.
So I'm just crushing them. Just getting them on
So the
the
thing
pan
about
quick.
5-minute dinners is you want to use fast cooking veg. So we're using mushrooms, we're using peppers, we're using garlic and everything else.
And we're going to use
special.
the stalk of the broccoli because we want to try to incorporate as much zero waste or less waste as possible. They say 1/3 of all waste is actually food waste, so let's try to use it all.
Good fact. Where'd you get that fact from?
The interweb.
Nothing. That's always the truth, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
But it could be true.
3:36. Can they do it?
Oh my God, this is so exciting.
Let's bring this up high. Jesus.
I always find this the quickest way to chop peppers, just to stack them and go around the edges. Okay, in goes pepper. Okay, my brother, in the interest of zero waste.
I'm going to be generous. I'm going to put in a little bit extra oil. Oil is going to enable the surface temperature to rise more, and we're just going to get it to cook a little bit quicker. I know it's a little less healthy, but we need speed.
We're up against it. This the jeopardy. Oh my God. So what are we going to do for sauce?
We're going to make a simple emulsion with pasta water and oil. It's based on one of the mother sauces of Italian cooking from the basis of the aglio e olio. So we're going to use the water that our pasta is cooked in that will have some starch in it, and that's going to create an emulsion with the oil to create a creamy, light, simple, cheap, affordable, and delicious sauce.
Okay, we're adding in the broccoli, extra nutrition, the stalk.
Time, we are 2:32. We are nearly halfway through.
Oh my God, this is so exciting, Stephen Flynn.
Can they do it?
I think we can.
Thing here to be aware when you're frying here is just that you don't want your veg too stacked high because it's going to steam instead of frying. So we're on the verge here of too much veg.
Okay, I'm going to add in our cherry tomatoes.
Maybe just hold off a sec with them. They can go in last because they're for service.
Okay, boom. This is very exciting. What are we on now?
We're on about 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 4. So at 1 minute we're got. Let's tamari. Where's your lovely tamari? There's David's bottle of black sauce.
Magic black sauce.
Magic black sauce goes great. Typically takes about 2 years to ferment. It is concentrated source of flavor. We are using thyme.
Yeah. So tamari is pretty much just soy sauce without gluten. That's been.
And obviously, tamari is not used in Italian cooking. However, we're using noodles, and this is kind of like mixed international cooking.
But I was reading last night. I was reading in a book where it was talking about Mexican cuisine. That Mexican cuisine, at its essence, is very hybrid as well. That parts of it are rooted in Middle Eastern people who've moved from there to Mexico, and it's kind of a hybrid, a fusion of all sorts of different things at its root.
So we're down to nearly at 1 minute. I'm going to take this off and we're going to start bringing this together.
Okay, what are we at?
126.
I think let's go for it.
Okay, right, so I'm taking this off the heat. And we're going to take our sauce and transfer it into the bowl here, all our veg.
Yes, sir.
Right, I've got a colander over here to catch our pasta water. I'm going to pop that in.
Here he goes, it's all happening. It smells really good. Very tasty. Mushrooms are banging. Okay, here he goes.
Okay, there. You get as much.
Stevie.
Take out our noodles out, take out our pasta out.
Our broccoli out.
Pan is high heat.
Okay, we got less than a minute. Get the show on.
Okay, I got this as hot as it can go. I've got a generous amount of oil, so about 3 tablespoons of oil. I've got loads of pasta water.
camera. Here you go. Stevie. Come on, you got about 30 seconds left.
Okay, well, let's see, can we do it? Okay, right, get me in my pasta. In goes our pasta, plus a little bit of broccoli. Right, we're gonna go in with a little bit of this sauce.
18 seconds.
Come on, Stevie!
Okay, what I'm trying to do here is to try to create a bit of an emotion. Get the sauce.
Come on,
cream.
Stevie!
That's enough. Okay, let's get the rest of our veg. Let's get this.
Okay, the show's on the road.
Where's our sauce, Steve?
It's happening, it's slow, it's happening.
Okay, it still looks delicious. I'm gonna add a little more pasta water.
A little bit. Okay, show's over, pens down! Okay, heat off.
There we have it, team.
Just before we serve it, we're gonna just taste and adjust the seasoning. This is a very important part. So when we taste our sauce, we're trying to balance the 5 flavors. So salt, sweet, acid, bitter, and umami. Right, I'm gonna go in with chili just to start with. I like a bit of chili.
A little bit of salt and black pepper. Here's our little bit of salt. I'm gonna go with a tiny little pinch of salt. And finally, the taste test, which is most important. Obviously, the sauce looks really good. There's broccoli, there's lots of noodles. We'll serve 5 people or 2 extremely hungry twins.
Well, geez, we'd be doing well too.
But really, I guess the purpose of these videos is to show you that healthy eating can be quick, easy, cheap, and highly nutritious. And that's the purpose of this video.
And this obviously is a little higher in oil. However, if you wanted to take your time, you could use less oil and just give it a little more time.
And do it in 10 minutes, you know. So anyway, the base of the emulsion was Steve might have just added in a little bit more water and kept going if we were to cook this another more minutes. But really, do try and cook this. It's simple, it's quick and easy, and you can use the veg with other fast cooking veg such as spinach, sugar snaps, French beans, courgette, grated carrot. There's so many different veg you can do with it. But thanks for watching.
There is lots of flavour in it, you'd be surprised.
Yeah, I'm gonna get stuck into it now. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of this channel.
And if you're looking to learn more about how to cook, we've got a brilliant online course called the Ultimate Vegan Cooking Course. Check it out. Link down below.
Cheers!